So we decided last night to make an impromptu adventure. We drove to Florida. We're in St. Augustine. Where'd we go, Jordan?
Today we went to
Buc-ee's. And man, is it awesome.
It is so cool inside. I can't wait for you guys to see what they have inside.
It's really crowded, but we're about ready to head inside and check it all out.
So it is absolutely crazy in here. There are people everywhere, but they have absolutely everything in here. Like, you can buy anything you need in here. I'm pretty confident that whatever you need on a road trip, you can find at Buc-ee's.
So I think this shirt is perfect for me. It's $65, so that will never happen. But it's pretty awesome.
I think we should paint our Durango like this.
I don't think so.
Hey guys, this is my beaver costume. Because beaver.
Order 569.
Show them the head. Show them the tail. You can be a little beaver. So I think this is definitely worth the trip.
It's so cool in here. Like, it's almost overwhelming because there's so much stuff to look at and was not expected at all.
No, it's our first trip to Buc-ee's, and I mean, this is almost the size of a Walmart.
They've got, like I said earlier, literally just about everything in here. I think I could buy a whole new wardrobe.
We've been in here at least 30 minutes. We haven't even been to the food side. We're still on the shopping side. It's really amazing.
we just finished in Buc-ee's and we grabbed lunch before we left. We got a barbecue turkey sandwich, a pulled pork sandwich, a sliced brisket sandwich, a chopped brisket sandwich, a brisket taco, and this sausage and jalapeno thing. I'm not real sure what it's called, but it's like a soft roll. I got the pina colada Buc-ee soda, and Jason got the Buc-ee's lemonade. And we're gonna try this now and let you know what we think of it. That looks really good.
So the sausage and cheese thing that we just ate was really good.
Absolutely delicious. Like, I don't know why, but for some reason I was expecting a breakfast sausage and it was more like a smoked sausage.
Yeah, it did have some heat to it.
Yeah, a little kick to it. It was really good though. I really like it was soft. The roll was really soft and it had a lot of cheese in it. And the sausage had a really good snap to it. It was delicious.
So we're gonna go next to the brisket taco.
So we just tried that brisket taco and it came with like a green salsa verde and like a red sauce. That thing was delicious. That brisket was so good.
Yeah, who would ever have thought brisket from a gas station would be so good?
It may actually be the best brisket I think I've ever tasted. It was so tender and so flavorful.
Yeah, it's very flavorful and it makes a really good taco.
It does. I highly recommend the taco. I can't wait to try the sandwiches now, but I think we're gonna go with the barbecue turkey next.
Yeah, so let's check that out.
Oh, that looks really good. So we just tried that turkey sandwich and that's a no-go for me.
Yeah, that turkey sandwich is an epic fail.
The barbecue sauce on it was really good, but that turkey was just mushy.
Yeah, the bun was great and the barbecue sauce was great. I'm not sure what kind of turkey that was. It was thick cut, but yeah, it didn't have a good texture at all. I didn't mind the taste, but the texture wasn't right. So that was a fail. We trashed that one. We're moving on now to the
Pulled pork.
pulled pork. We're from Lexington. Chopped barbecue is life. Let's try this gas station barbecue. So we just went through that barbecue sandwich. Really good.
It was really good. It was a really thin pulled pork, but it was good. It was the same barbecue sauce as the turkey sandwich.
Yeah, the same bun, same barbecue sauce, and we really like that with the turkey sandwich,
Yeah.
just not the meat.
I would recommend that over the turkey all day long.
Yeah, it's really good. We put a little hot sauce on there. That's all we added, and it was really good.
Got me heated up a little bit. The hot sauce is quite hot.
So I think we saved the best for last. We have these brisket sandwiches now that we're going to check out, and that's what they're known for. Everybody's standing in line for those brisket sandwiches.
So I think we're gonna tear into the sliced brisket first, and then we'll do the chopped. That looks so good.
So what'd you think about those brisket sandwiches?
That brisket is where it's at. Like, that's what you've got to get when you come here, I think.
Yeah, if you make a trip to Buc-ee's, get the brisket. I enjoyed the chop better than the slice.
I do think the chopped was better. The slice was good. I just think the texture of the chopped was better for me. And I think you definitely
Yeah,
like
I
that
definitely
texture was
like
thing
the
for you.
chop better. So come to Buc-ee's, try the brisket sandwich.
Yes, brisket sandwich, and get a brisket taco too, because that was really good.
So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you're new here, I'm Jason,
I'm Jordan.
and we're surviving on adventure. If you enjoyed it, go ahead and click subscribe and leave us a comment. Tell us if you've been here.
And now I need you to get out there and survive on adventure.
Bye.